Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at JASMY coin or JASMY. JASMY is currently at the $0.0218 level. We are currently ranked at 97 with a market cap of about $1 billion. We have a 24-hour volume for about $525 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for JASMY. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So in the last 24 hours, JASMY is up about 7.9%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for JASMY versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So we want to start from the weekly time frame, right? At the weekly time frame for JASMY, you would know we have been bullish on JASMY, expecting higher price targets right here for JASMY into this 0.05 or the 8 cents level, which means we could still see JASMY have another 4x, right? But I will still be sounding another warning right here for JASMY, as this structure, which is forming right here on the weekly, looks very bearish, right? It looks very bearish, meaning that we could see prices come back to retest the lows before we see any sort of push to the upside. And I'll tell you why you want to be careful of this setup right here, probably taking profit and buy back lower. And I'll tell you why, right? If we flip to the daily time frame, at the daily time frame right here, we have still seen this sort of massive push to the upside right here for JASMY is up more than 800%. But when we see this sort of wicks, these wicks basically showed that prices were being sold into. So every single rally we saw, they were being sold into, right? So the whales were selling out of their positions, right? And this bounce we just got is a weak bounce, right? And I'll tell you why. If we close today's candle below the 0.021, then with a very high likelihood we could see another retest of the 0.014. If probably we could even dump right here even into the bull market EMA, which is currently at the 0.0092 94, right? So be very careful, right? You probably want to be taking profit of your positions, right? And probably want to buy lower after the halving, where we could see a massive pump. We are still, mind you, we are still very bullish on JASMY, but we could see that sort of a huge retracement coming soon. And I'll tell you another reason why, right? On the volume profile, we are still seeing the momentum remaining bearish, right? And this bounce is not really it's not really convincing, as you can see right here. Yes, we have flipped green, but the momentum has not flipped green, right? Showing that that is a very dangerous situation, and we could see even more downside right here for JASMY into the $0.014 level. So you want to be very careful. This could look like a trapper bounce where we could just forming some sort of M pattern, right? This is the M pattern that is being formed, as you can see right here, where we could see the sort of massive push to the downside. So you want to be very careful of this sort of setup, as we could see this is a massive bearish setup, as we could see one more dump. So be very careful, and if you're in long positions, you want to take profit on your positions, as we could see some sort of retracement back into this level right here for JASMY. So that's the update right here on JASMY. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.